All right, guys, this is going to be the first trade that I take on camera. Not the first trade of the year, but this year so far, we're doing Gucci. This is a live account, so before y'all start talking about funded this, funded that, no, this is a live account, okay? We're trading the triple leveraged ETFs, such as the TQQ, SQQ, SPXL, SPXS, URTY, and SRTY. The SPY, of course, is the parent ETF of the SPXL and SPXS, which are the triple leveraged. For the Qs, TQQ is the long triple leveraged, SQQ is the short triple leveraged, and for the IWM, URTY is the long triple leveraged, and SRTY is the bearish triple leveraged. But based off the market right now, the Qs went down crazy, meaning I think that the SPY is lagging behind it because we still haven't seen that nice downward pressure as we've seen on the Qs. But regardless, it's only 8:40. Usually I like to hop on at 9 because sometimes these moves like to reverse on me if I get in any time before 9. But we'll see what happens today. We'll see what the feeling is like. Okay, so for the IWM, we touched all-time highs as we see here, right? We can move that right about here. We actually got rejected. We'll see if we break above it, but usually when IWM runs, it likes to run, but we're going to be patient here a little bit more. Well, a lot bit more because I'm not going to enter up here either. So we'll wait on the IWM there. The SPY, we could wait a little bit more. And then the Q, let's see. Let's look at the weekly 1 hour. Nice little inverse head and head and shoulders right here. So that could be a sign that we may be going down. It does look bearish, not gonna lie. Obviously here we do have a bullish structure, but then we get a break of that bullish structure into bearish, and then here we do have a lot of selling volume, right? Just based off the size of the candle, right? That's all we're basing on. It's not that hard. Chart analysis, honestly, you don't gotta overcomplicate it because it's not supposed to be overcomplicated. Here we go, cup of joe. Very delicious, very delicious. I'll probably like speed this part up until we get a nice little setup. You see, the person that wants to rush wants me to get in shorts right now. They want me to get in shorts right now. And that person might be right and that person might win. You see, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm like a freaking genie. But it's okay because we don't want to enter in too early nor too late because we don't want to lose everything either. IWM, clear bullish structure. See, it's doing that. The thing that I like about the IWM is that it doesn't move with the rest of the market. It does its own thing. Obviously, it's consisted of the mid-cap stocks versus the QQQ and the SPY contain the top 500 and top 100 tech stocks. But it's all good in the hood. Don't worry. Don't worry about me. I also like to grab my phone and I like to hop on the app here as well while I trade. Just because I'm able to see. I also like to take a look at the line chart as well. Something I can't do on this chart. Some may say that's dumb. Some may say that's good. But to be honest, that's just how I do it. So I could care less. Would I be wrong to think it's bearish? Would I be wrong? Realistically, this is like a bearish engulfing pattern. Downtrend, bearish engulfing pattern. What can we assume? I can assume that it's going to go down. Therefore, you know what? maybe I need to take a little dookie break. Maybe if I take a little dookie break, I'll be able to like think a little bit more. Low-key might have to take myself up on that offer. All right, here's a plan. I know what we're gonna do. Okay, so we do see this nice red candle, right? So what I want to see on the next candle is a nice green candle in the beginning. Let me switch it over to the 15-minute. Ooh, okay, this is perfect. This is what I want to see. Nice green candle. Let's try to catch the top of this green candle to go nice short. Honestly, right here would be a nice short as well because we're at these support levels, or this resistance, I should say. Ooh, maybe that's a switch of a bias kind of candle. We don't want to rush. You see, this is why we don't want to rush. Because imagine if I had shorted here, I would have been stopped out, and I would have been pissed off actually. But it's okay, guys. It's okay because it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. We want to survive the game. We want to survive. Look at that. See how the Qs are doing. The Qs are still struggling to break above these resistance levels. No way. The Qs on the SPY deciding to do the complete opposite. You know what, dude? The SPY just might be lagging today. That's honestly what might be happening. Because I'm looking at Meta, I'm looking at Tesla, I'm looking at Nvidia on my phone. Amazon's doing good. Microsoft is down. Apple's down. Hood is down. Tesla's down. Meta's down. This might just be a lagging indicator, my friend. This just might be a lagging indicator. Let's see how. Look at that. You see that? Boom, boom. Are we going to reject or are we going to break out with the IWM? The IWM, I learned to never doubt because the IWM does some amazing moves, honestly. It truly does. The VIX is going down, okay. Which is not good if you want to short. Yes, I said that right. See, I'm still learning, guys. Come on, all right? Although I've been in the game for quite some time, I'm still learning. We learn every single day. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real mofo kind of game. Gotta have some bolas, some cojones, balls of steel if you want to fucking do this. This ain't for the weak, I'll tell you that much. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Let's go back to my room. We can do it all night just to make you feel right. See, look at that. You see, gets nice rejected. The Qs are struggling. I think I'm gonna have to go with my gut here and short, right? So we're gonna go hit the SPXS up. We're gonna be like, hey, shorty, come here. 34. Let's try to get down here. Come on, fill me in. What? We're failed, baby. Let's go. Okay, so while we do this, moi is going to take a nice little dookie. And it looks like nothing unusual is happening. I think what I'm going to do right now is keep my mind clear and level-headed so that I don't crash out. Because remember, guys, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go walk my dog. And I'll see you boys and girls later.